In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow appear. Watch this. Can you see the rainbow? Now you see it. Now you don't. Beautiful rainbow. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. Now you see it. Right before you get to the pot of gold. Now you don't. Beautiful rainbow. Look at that. I see blue, yellow, red, or magenta. Look at Zoe. She likes Snoopy. Zoe? Hi, Snoopy. Zoe, you like the rainbow? Look at the rainbow, Zoe. Well, that's a big one. Okay. How about this one? Can we do it there? Yep. You guys have a great day. It's a beautiful Sunday. Beautiful Sunday, guys. Beautiful Sunday. Rainbow. I wonder if we can see it on film though. I see it on the camera. I wonder if the video catching it. All right, you guys have a great day. Peace. Oh, look at Snoopy over there. Hi, Snoopy. Oh, Zoe, you like Snoopy. So get out of that stuff. Peace.